Yo, yo, yo. What's the dealio, y'all? What's the dealio, man? Hey, you already know. I got a straight banger for you today, all right? Hey, man. What's up? How we feeling today? If y'all tapping in with me, man, be sure to like this video. All right? Let's like this video and let's get this video to 250 likes. All right? I'm going to go turn my AC on real quick and then we're going to get this video started. All right, y'all. So how y'all feeling, man? Hey, I told y'all, listen, I told y'all what it was, right? This is how we going to get this started, right? This is how we going to get this started right here. All right? This is how we going to get this started. If you guys are watching this, man, be sure to like this video, all right? This is how we going to get this started, man. All right? Come on. Hey, y'all hear that? Come on. We doing a bounce, y'all. Come on. Hey, I told y'all. Today was a money day. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, who bouncing? Who bouncing with me? Who bouncing with me? Come on. Who bouncing them shoulders? Come on. Where we at? Where we at? Who bouncing them shoulders with me? I told y'all. I told y'all. We was gonna bounce today, y'all. Come on. I told y'all we was gonna bounce, man. Listen. Listen. I told y'all. What I tell y'all, man? What I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all, man? Let's just go over that real quick. Hold on. Y'all don't hear me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Let's bounce today. You hear that? Come on. Who bouncing with me? Who bouncing with me? I told y'all we was gonna bounce today. Come on. Who bouncing with me? Who bouncing with me? Come on, go ahead and bounce. Who bouncing? Come on. Hey, man, listen. Hey, you gotta have fun, man. All right? You gotta have fun, man. All right? Life is too short, man, to not have fun, all right? I told y'all we was gonna go crazy in the market today. What up, Franklin? What's up, Best Beezy? What up, Black Just? Ron in the building, Wise. What up, Daniel? Right? What's up, Liz? How you doing today? How you doing today, Liz? What's up, Daryl? Newmar in the building. What's up, Christiana? Chandra? What up, OG Triple OG? How we feeling? How we feeling, y'all? What's up, Jerry? What up, I Eat My Fears? Drew in the building. Still bouncing. Option Strike Force? How you feeling? What's up, Daryl? What's up, BC Trades? What up, Dougie Fresh? Come on now. DJ 5 Star, what up? What up, Antoine? What's up, Doc? How you feeling? What up, Mark 16? What up, Jay Skrilla? What's up, Reese's Pieces? How you feeling? Listen, what up, Gina? Rondo? Hey, y'all. Rondo said it was a chop day. Rondo said it was a chop day. Somebody tell him it was not a chop day. Somebody tell him it was not a chop day, man. Somebody tell him it was not a chop day. Somebody tell him we smacked QQQ for 50% in 3 minutes, man. Somebody tell Rondo he need to join the Discord, man. Somebody tell him. All right? So you bringing back memories of my old man. Hey, he love that song. Hey, that was a good song, bro. Shout out to Pops. You know what I mean? Hey, straight, y'all see that? Shoulders hurting after today. Been bouncing so much. Right? Come on now. What up, Chris Connor? Right? It's my first month with no meat. I'm all plant-based and I could... Oh, there we go. Y'all see that? Toxins coming up out of him. There we go, Best B. It's a... Look, life ain't never gonna change. It's never gonna be the same. All right, y'all. So look, man, we gonna get it started, man. Nothing that I say in this video is financial advice, all right? Nothing that I say is financial advice. Marie, hey, you see that? You see that, Marie? Y'all see? Hey, shout out to Marie, man. She said, Green Day, thanks to you. Hey, stick with me. I help you get rich, Marie. All right? Hey, he said I spiked the watermelon juice. I ain't had alcohol in like 2-3 years, man. You know what I mean? I be high on life. Y'all, listen, I be high on life, man. Real talk. I be high on life. You know what I mean? What's up, Big Smash? What's up, Jess Legacy? What up, Walt? All right, check it out. What's up, Ant? This is my first month no meat. I love it, y'all. I love hearing that y'all is not eating meat. I love it. Intel and Google was presented last night. Just manage risk and don't be greedy. Straight up. Not really, Jay Nellis, but teach us on. All right. So what's up? What's up, Rich OG? How you feeling? All right. Y'all ate off the rib. I held too long. IWM pop early. That's why you need to join the Discord, bro. All right. All right. So check this out, y'all. All right. Check this out, man. This is how we gonna start this off, man. All right. This is how we gonna start this off. So today, right? He said, Ross, right? Account is up 158% today. Account. That means he doubled his account, right? All right. So I got a YouTube comment today, right? I got a YouTube comment today. And this YouTube comment said, let me read it real quick. I'm going to read it real quick. It said, can I join the Discord for 1 month to try it out? Come on, y'all. Listen, y'all, right? To anybody that wants to try out the Discord but watches these videos every day, I really got to question your mental health. I really got to question your ability to think. Because how can you watch me every day and still have the audacity? You got a lot of audacity, right? You got a lot of audacity, right? To sit here and say, can you get the Discord for a month for free? When literally people are making money and I'm giving you levels. This lets me know you know the price of everything but the value of nothing. Right? You know the price of everything but the value of nothing. You know the price of the Discord, but you don't know the value of it. And that's why you're trying to get it for free. And this is to anybody, right? If you gonna sit here, let me ask you a question. Do you go talk to your landlord and be like, hey, could I get a month free? Do you go call your AT&T, your T-Mobile, and be like, can I get a month free? Do you go to your power company and be like, could I get a month free? Really think about that. You don't, right? So let's make sure that we respect what's really going on here, right? Let's make sure we really respect. Listen, some of y'all gotta put respect on the name. How did I know that the market was gonna go crazy today? How did I know how to set everybody up to make money today? How do I know how to get your mind right? How do I know how to do these things? See, some of y'all think that y'all looking at the price, but you ain't looking at how your life gonna transform. And that's your problem. That ain't mine. All right? So listen, to anybody that's out there like, hey, I want to try it out, no. All right? That's what we stand on. We stand on value over here. Period. All right? This ain't you know, seven day free trial. We ain't doing all of that marketing stuff. All right? It's straight up and down. It ain't even straight up and down no more. It's just straight up because we only going up. We've been going up and down before. We don't do that. We only going up, y'all. Straight up. All right? So listen, don't ever fix your lips or your fingers to ask for any type of discount from over here. Anything that I ever put out, we ain't doing discounts. Period. That's not how it go down. All right? If you want to change your life, you're going to come rock with me. You're going to come rock with TPC. If you don't want to change your life, then you're going to stay where you at. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. All right? I'm ironing jeans to get ready crispy for old school. Hey, let's go, OG. Thanks for that QQQ play. I played from the trees. And look, we got G Dollars. He in San Martin right now. Traded with us. Smack QQQ. San Martin. Come on, man. You can't make this stuff up. Can't make this stuff up. Right? You can't make this stuff up, man. We got people that didn't think that they could trade. Now they over here smacking the market on a daily basis. They learned the strat method. They learned liquidity. And now look at them going crazy in the market. What's up, Quee? How you feeling over there? What up, Ash? What up, QTZ? Come on now. What's up, T Gomes? You know what I'm saying? He said, you read wrong. I want to pay. Join the Discord, bro. Go click the link in the description and come join the Discord. Let's go. You see that? It's like a Rolls Royce, man. We ain't never on sale. You know what I mean? So check it out, man. And some, Marie. Say it again. And some. And some. Hey, click the link in the description, Nate. Come join the fam, bro. Come join the fam. Click the link in the description. You know what I'm saying? That's all you got to do. All right, so let's get it, man. Let's get it, y'all. 87% on QQQ. Y'all see that? What's up, Tori? 212 Strat. He said, how you enjoying it, EFS Mid? EFS Mid? All right. Again, get a market 1,000. Yep, exactly. So let's get it, man. So look, y'all. Look. Let's go over these charts, man. Let's go over these charts, man. Yeah. Let's go over these charts, man. Let's go. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? The disco dance. Come on now. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let's go, man. SPY, right? What did SPY do today? So I told y'all, boom. I know Ash, right? Check it out. I hope they don't. But if they do, it's all good. Yeah, Cam. Every day. So check it out, man. Right? So we came down on SPY today, but we popped up right here. Right? We popped up right here. We did come down and fill this gap down here, right? So I told y'all about this gap yesterday, right? I told you about this gap yesterday, right? Look, I had it marked right here, right? If we go down to the 30-minute, I told y'all we had a gap right here, right? So as I said, we could come down and fill this gap, and what did we do? We came down and we filled the gap, right? So, and then we popped up, all right? So now for SPY, right? Now for SPY, right? We got this trend line right here, okay? We got this trend line right here. I talked about this trend line yesterday. That's why I drew it, right? I drew this trend line so that way we know where our area is at, right? So real talk, we got to get above 752.41, right? 752.41, right? We got to get above 752.41, but we got the highs right here at 750.99, right? So we gonna say calls above 750.99, right? We gonna say calls above 750.99, but also 752.41 is also gonna be a strong, important level. All right. All right. So if we could get above 752.41, then we go higher. All right, if we get above 750.99, then we're going to go up to 752.41. All right? Now, what if we come down, right? Bearish scenario. What we got? Bearish scenario. What do we have cracking, y'all? So let's look at the hourly real quick. If I look at the hourly, let me look at this right here. Boom. Okay. All right, and then I'll go right here. Boom. All right, so we could be coming down to 741 as well, y'all. Okay, we could be coming down to 741. That is a possibility, right? Now it's saying that we at 746, but overnight it says 748. So let me see. Let me see. SPY, let's see where SPY is at. SPY is at 748. All right. So this right here, this price action is wrong. So we can't really go, right? So we got to get above like right here. Okay? So what I want you guys to focus on is going to be 748.43, right? If we can't get above 748.43, then we're going to come back down. Okay? So, and then we close at 747. So we're going to say puts below 747. No, we're going to say puts below 745.21. All right, puts below 745.21. Right? And then you got some rejection levels. Let's see. Some areas of liquidity. And then we're going to say 749, but we already did 750. So we got puts below 745.21. Okay. If we come up to 750.99, we could reject here. And then you enter puts at a rejection, right? Or you go puts below here, or you go calls above 750.99. You write it up to 752.41, and then if we go higher than that, we go higher. We break out of this trend line right here, and then we go higher. Okay? That's the game on SPY. Let me know if that makes sense, y'all. Let me know if that makes sense on SPY. SPY is the S&P 500, y'all. Okay? S&P 500. Let me know if that makes sense. All right. What we got? Hey, y'all see this? Shout out to Luis, man. He said, I'm at the gym. I want to say thanks for the QQQ puts triple honey bun. Come on now. Come on now. How many, listen, real talk. Real talk. Where else can you go on YouTube every day and be able to get levels and tactical, practical information on how to trade all three indexes and multiple stocks the next day? Where else can you do that? Real talk. Where else can you do that? Really think about that. It's people that comment every day saying, I made this, I made money on this, I made money on this. Every single day, y'all. Every single day. Every day. I really want you to think about that. You know how much money I'll be making, people? Every day, y'all. All right? So that's SPY. Next, we're going to go IWM. Right? I chose shop, and I hope it will make a move tomorrow. I'm trying to see if I really make money to join the group. Glenda, you should have traded shop yesterday and today. Right? So yeah, I'm not saying that they're gonna come down, but yeah, you should have traded them yesterday and today because now they're on a failed 2 up. So they made a move, right? IWM is up next, right? It's been a masterclass in the Discord. Hey, I'm telling you. Hey, listen. We putting on master classes on the everyday level, y'all. All right, every single day we get into it, man. For real. I don't tell people what to say in these comments. I just show up. And whatever people feel like they want to say that day, that's what they say. These are no bots. I don't do no bots. I ain't paid for nobody to grow my YouTube channel, nothing. We talking about all organic people that's rocking with what I'm saying and what I'm giving. You know what I'm saying? It's something special going on right now, y'all. It's something special going on with this YouTube channel. It's something special going on, y'all. This ain't regular. And I'm gonna keep saying that until I'm no longer here. This ain't regular. This is not regular, y'all. This is very, very, very powerful stuff happening. All right? Let's look at IWM. What did they do, y'all? I told y'all. What did I say? I said, listen. I said, if we break below the low, we're going to get a $2 move. I told y'all we was going to get a $2 move. Who remembers when I said if we break below the low of yesterday, we're going to get a $2 move? Who remembers when I said that? Tell me in the comments, man. Tell me in the comments. Who remembers when I said that, y'all? I said it 24 hours ago. 24 hours ago, I told you guys, if we break below this one bar right here, I said we gonna move at least $2. Right? $2, right? I told you guys this yesterday. And look what happened. From 297.64 to where? $295.17. That's $2. That is $2. That's $2, y'all. I said $2 down or $2 up. And they chose to go to the downside. Right? I also said, if we come up here and we reject, you can enter inputs here, and then you can write it down to the low of day. And if we break on the low of day, then you could come down lower. I also said that. And look what happened. They gapped up a little bit, came up, popped up, rejected, came all the way down. I'm literally giving you guys everything. And here's the best part about it all, right? The best part about it all is you ain't got to get the whole move. All you got to do is strategically get a piece of the move. 30%, 50%, 100%. As time goes on, you get better in your trading, but you ain't got to get the whole move. You could just get pieces of the move. I'm just saying. Let's keep going, y'all. Right? So, now today's done. Right? Now today's done. So what we got for tomorrow, y'all? What we got for tomorrow? What we got for tomorrow? First off, we're going to sit here and say, puts below 295.17. All right. And then we got calls above 299.98. All right. Now, let's go into this hourly. So we got a lot of sellers all up and through here, right? So between right here at 296, 296.62, and honestly 300. So we got a $4 range of just sellers. Okay, we got sellers sitting up in here. All right, so sellers are gonna try to push these guys down. So we got to see how they respond and how they react, right? So we got sellers between between 296 and 300. So this level area right here, I want you guys to pay attention to this area and this level right here. Okay? Let me know if this makes sense. Let me know if this makes sense. Right? But we do have this order block right here that popped up. So as you can see, right? We got support. We got support, and then we got support, right? So we probably are going to come up. If we break below 294.79, we coming down, right? You can say 295.17 or you can say 294.85. If we get below this area right here, we coming down, all right? If we get below 294, we coming down. We tested it 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. The next time we try to come lower, it may not be so nice and we may break through and then come lower. Okay? So I want y'all to pay attention between 296.67 and 300. Okay? If we can't get above this area, then we coming down. But if we get above here, then we going higher. Okay? 295, 294.80, that's going to be your support. If we close below here, we going lower. All right? Let me know if that makes sense on IWM, y'all. Let me know if that makes sense on IWM. I appreciate that, Rich OG. Right? Jeremy said, I smacked IWM in the Qs today. Hey, I got you, bro. Hey, let's keep it going. Right? Choose, create, live. 40% on IWM today. Right? Come on now. We doing this every day, man. Said lunch on me. Hey, listen, even if it was $1, I'm going to be grateful. You know, I come from real humble beginnings, right? I was on the phone earlier today, right? One of my best friends. And, you know, she was like, yo, you are just too humble. She was like, you are just too humble. And I'm really working on the humbleness, right? But when you come from like nothing, small beginnings, you just be grateful for every small thing. And you never try to put on. You know what I'm saying? But you also understand that, like, you don't need to put on. You don't need to be out there like that. Right? When you come from like humble beginnings, it's all about the simple things in life. It's about the things that money can't buy. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Humble beginnings definitely, I say that to say, you know what I mean? I don't care if it's $10, 50 cents, Rich OG, it don't matter. You know what I'm saying? Because the fact that, you know, you chose to sit here and say, hey, here goes some money, you know what I mean? Off of what's going on the internet, that's love right there. And I appreciate the love more than anything. You know what I mean? So, shout out to that, salute to that. I appreciate that. You know what I mean? So yeah, it makes sense. Look, hey, y'all blowing me up today, huh? I appreciate that. We got Rich OG, $10. DJ Star, $20. I appreciate that. Real talk. What's up, Stu? How you feeling? I'm grateful for you too, Daphne. Hey, that's real talk, Rondo. Look, 175% on IWM. We could do this all day, y'all. These are real numbers. These are real numbers, and we're doing it every single day. So, we went over SPY, we went over IWM. Let's go over QQQ Keisha. All right? Let's go over QQQ Keisha. All right, let's get it. Let's go, let's go. All right. Next up. Real quick though, if you guys are watching this, man, be sure to like this video, y'all. Every day, I'm undeniably, undisputedly giving you guys setups to make money tomorrow. Undeniably. Undeniably. Teaching you guys the strap method, teaching you guys the analysis, showing you guys where the landmines is at so you don't make mistakes in the market the next day. I'm showing you every single day, y'all. I have a high accuracy when it comes down to these trades and getting this money in the stock market. And everybody in the Discord can see this is no cap. This ain't no games, right? These are facts and this is documented. All right. So be sure to like this video, man. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right. Come join the Discord because we get into it every single day, no matter what. All right. Next up, QQQ. What we got here? Now, I told y'all, one bar, I told y'all we had a gap, right? I told y'all we had a gap. I told y'all we had a gap. And what did I say? I said, if we open up below 718.45, y'all remember this level? What I say, if we open up below 718.45, we're coming down to fill the gap, right? We coming down to fill the gap, right? What did we do, y'all? We came down and we filled the gap. We came down and we filled the gap. All right? So boom. Now, right? Now we have a gap to the upside. Right? We got a gap to the upside now. So watch this. We got to zoom in some. This was yesterday, right? Watch this. We closed yesterday at right here. We closed yesterday at 722. Okay? 722. $722.69. Now, we opened up at 7:15, y'all. All right? We opened up at 7:15.39. Okay? So now, what do we have here, y'all? What do we have right here? Now we have a gap. Another one. We got a gap. Where is the gap from? We got a $7 gap, y'all. We got a $7 gap up to 722. And we are only at 712, 709. So if we, right, if we come into 715, we gonna come right up here and fill this gap, y'all. That's gonna be another 200% trade. Right, Alchemist? And look, they sitting right here. They sitting right here at a strong level. Look, 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. Right? Look at all these. Look at this support level right here. Another time, another time, another time. Every time they came down here, what did they do? They bounced. Came down here, 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 probably gonna bounce. Right? So, we got a $7 gap. So, honestly, y'all, I'm going to be looking at QQQ. And the good thing about it is they came up today because we caught money on this move as well, y'all. Right? On the hourly 212 setup. Hourly, right? 212 up. Right? On the 30-minute, we got a fail 2 down. Okay? 2 up, 3 bar, blast off. Okay? So that's what we got on QQQ. I would be looking for a bounce and us to fill this gap right here, y'all. Us to fill this gap right here. Up to 722. Okay? From 715 to 722, a $7 move, that's what I'm going to be looking for right there. And if I could get in earlier, then we going to get in earlier and ride it up higher. All right? That's QQQ. Let me know if that makes sense in the comments, y'all. If that makes sense, let me know in the comments. That's what I'm looking at for QQQ. All right? Do you do one-on-ones once you join a Discord? No. I don't do one-on-ones when you join a Discord. You got to think, what if 100 people join a Discord and I said once you join a Discord, you can get a one-on-one? I don't have that much capacity. Nah. But we live trade every day. We do a weekly study session as well. And we got a whole course. We got a whole curriculum up in there. All right? So come on, Cam. Let's get it. TPC is money is well invested. There we go, Daniel. Going crazy. Yeah, Alchemist. I think QQQ is about to do something beautiful. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying, Best B? Hey, my shoulders, they starting to tingle, y'all. They starting to tingle again. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Is that the wind? Yeah. It's lightning out here. It ain't raining yet, but the thunder is pretty bad. Y'all hear that? That thunder sounded real strong. So it's probably gonna rain tonight. I might wake up and it might be raining bad, but we still gonna get this money. We still gonna get this money, y'all. As long as the power don't go out, we good. What else we got? Yep, D-Ram, Wolf, both look like they want to bounce. Yeah, D-Ram for sure. Yep, semis are going to go up. Yep. I mean, there's always a possibility for downside on QQQ, but you got to think, right? Every time QQQ has, all they do is they gap up, they gap down, they gap up, they gap down, and then they make a move. So because they came down today, right? Before they go down, I think that they're gonna fill this gap first. So I'm gonna look for them to come up first and then come down, right? And if that doesn't happen, then I'm wrong and I'll just trade it how I need to trade it, right? But with what I'm looking at, I'm thinking that this is gonna be the move for tomorrow, right? So, exactly. Yeah, QQQ. Hey, y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. The thunder is roaring. Go get in the tub. I need to take a bath, though, for reals. I need to take a bath. Yeah, that's what I want, the education. Yeah. Hey, Cam, it's not about plays with us, right? It's about the education. So we want to teach you how to do this, right? So that's why people in the Discord are getting 150% by themselves. It ain't about always what we call. Do we call bangers? Hell yeah. But it's about everybody else learning how to do this on their own. And people will tell you, people in the Discord, they know how to do this stuff on their own. They're building up their confidence. You know what I'm saying? We ain't here to peace feed you. We ain't here to give you crumbs, right? We give you everything, bro. We give you everything. I do not hold back. We do not hold back. Ain't no holding back over here. Anything I know, I'm going to share it. I don't be like, ooh, let me keep this for me. Let me keep this for me. Nah. I'll be like, let me get this to the squad. Let me get this to the squad. You know what I mean? Hey, yeah, Hood is looking like it's about to do a crazy move tomorrow. We're going to talk about that. We had some storms last night. Oh, yeah. When it be raining out here, well, really when it be thundering, it do be waking me up. But that's because I'm a Cali ninja. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't raised with thunderstorms. So, you know what I'm saying? When I be hearing that thunder at night, I be like, dang. I be, you know what I'm saying, tossing and turning a little bit. But yeah, we gonna be TPC bouncing all year, y'all. Hey, I ain't mad at that. Hey, that's a good one, Jay Skrill. I need to take a money bath. For real. Hey, I'm about to sing that in the morning tomorrow, Nat. Hey, baby, I got your money. That's right. I was in yesterday, but waited for 27 and went to 125. Oh, okay. I feel you. Keisha don't come trade with us no more. Hey, I know. Where's she been at? Where Keisha? You see Keisha? I tried to email Keisha and her email is full. I can't even get an email with Keisha. I'll be joining the family. I like how you keep it up when you spit. Hey, nah, for sure. For sure, Cam. This is what we do every day, bro. Spy did reverse on me today. It took me for my papers, though. Hey, man. We got to start seeing... Listen, I would go change to IWM. I ain't trying to change the game plan, Nissan, but, man, Spy don't sound like it's too good. You know what I mean? So, we went over Spy, IWM, and QQQ. What we about to do now, y'all? Talk to me. What are we about to do now? Spy, IWM, and QQQ. After we go over all three of the indexes, what's next, y'all? Talk to me. What is next? Talk to me. There we go. All right, let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. You already know what time it is. Hey, let's go find some setups. Right? Let's go find some setups. I respect the trading game. You think we can start a long-term investment portfolio? What do you mean, Vinny? What do you mean, can we start a long-term investment portfolio? What do you mean? So look, yesterday I told you guys, I said the main watches is going to be Intel puts, Meta, and Adobe, right? Let's go look what Intel did. I told y'all about Intel, right? I told y'all about Intel. They dumped, right? They dumped. Okay. Let's go to Meta. What did Meta do? A one candle, they gapped up, popped all the way up here. That's Meta, right? Adobe fell 2 down, gapped up, ran crazy, all the way up to 231, y'all. 231. From where? 217 in a day. That move right there will change your life. So all of the 3 setups that I said I was looking at, they went crazy. They went crazy. All right. So with that being said, we're going to find some setups for tomorrow. Now, before we go fishing and we find these setups, if y'all are watching, man, and you have not, hit that thumbs up button, y'all. All right? Hit that thumbs up button. There is a reason why people are making thousands of dollars off of this YouTube channel every single day, every single week. All right? Every single day, there's a reason why people are making money. Right? So, there's a reason why we could go live every day with 100+ people and make money together. Right? This ain't no game. So, is Meta liquid? What you mean, Miss Reese? You mean like, are their contracts liquid or what? Hey, this is too much pressure right here. AM said whatever Isiah calls is gonna happen. Best believe it. Look, I don't want that pressure. I don't want that pressure. Cause the second it don't do it, it's a wrap. Y'all gonna be like, oh, he a fraud. Oh, he said it was gonna do this and it didn't. Right? I don't want that pressure, y'all. Right? I'm just here to let y'all know what I see. Right? So, people that subscribe have a seat. Hey, y'all so nice. You see what Miss Reese said? People that subscribe have a seat. Hey, y'all listen, I be feeling love from y'all. I be feeling the love from y'all, man, for real. I appreciate all those kind words. All right, coin look like it's about to go. Let's look at coin real quick. And then we're going to find some setups. Let's see. Oh, yep. Oh, yep. Coin is about to do what Netflix just did. Right? Look at Netflix. Netflix had a bearish 1 bar off this fair value gap, and then they bounced up. They gapped up, and then they went up. So Coinbase, it looked like it's about to do the same. Right? They was coming up, came down, they got at where buyers are at right here, they about to go up. I told y'all the bounce area is 150 to 163. All right? 150 to 163. All right? So, we sitting in a bounce in the retest area right here. All right? So, let's go find some setups, y'all. All right? Let's find these setups. I do be calling some bangers, you know what I'm saying? I do be calling some bangers. You just gotta learn how to execute, right? But once you learn how to execute, there's no limit to how much money you can make, right? Shayun, I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that. Real talk. Hey, me and Quint be talking. We about to full port. Coinbase. All right. I threw $50,000 in Coinbase before market close. All right. I threw another $80,000 in Coinbase in my other account. I'm all in on Coinbase. But nah, I'm playing, y'all. All right, don't full port nothing, okay? But so here's what we got, y'all. So Oracle is looking interesting. We could bounce here, but I'm not gonna call this setup. Apple, I don't care about Apple like that. Shopify is on a failed 2 up, y'all. All right, they rejected off this 200 EMA, so we got to see what happens. I'm not gonna call that as a setup. We got Intel, they already went 2 down. Robinhood, high alert, y'all. Hood. Okay. Double inside bars. Okay? Robinhood. We got buyers down here, y'all. Okay? We got buyers down here. And we got order block up here. Okay? So, we got a double inside candle. As you guys could see, yesterday's candle was bigger and today's is smaller. So that means it's contracting. Right? It's contracting. It's getting smaller because it's getting ready to expand and explode. I don't know if we're going to go up or down. Because we got buyers here, we could go up. But we got a gap to fill down here, and we got some buyers here, right? But we got this resistance at 121, 122. Okay, so we got a double inside candle on Robinhood tomorrow. I'm going to see what's going to happen tomorrow with Robinhood, and then we're going to go from there. But we got double inside candles on the daily. All right. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to this. We do have the VIX, right? The VIX is on a bullish 3-bar today. So we're going to see what happens. All right. They could be coming up. If they come up, that means the market going to be coming down. So pay attention to the VIX. Amazon, Nvidia is on a 3-bar, so they could pop up here. I think they are. We gonna see. Okay. Google. I told y'all what I tell y'all. Google is at this resistance right here. I said 372, right? 372. It came up to 373.28, and then it created a fail 2 up. Now it's all the way down to 366, right? I told y'all where the resistance was at. I said once we get up here, no more. Don't worry about Google again until we see what it's about to do, right? I'm telling you guys what's. Listen, y'all. Listen. The way I walk you guys through these trades and I talk you through these trades is unmatched. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through everything. And one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through everything. How can you lose when I'm walking you through the trade? And how can you lose when I'm talking you through the trade? How can you lose, y'all? When we're trading in the morning, I'm literally talking everybody through everything. I'm literally running through everything, y'all. How can you lose, man? You cannot lose with somebody like me on your team. You cannot lose with somebody, I ain't even gonna say with somebody like me. You can't lose with me on your team. Because it ain't nobody like me. It ain't nobody like me. You cannot lose with me on your team. All you got to do is focus on what I'm telling you. That's all you got to do. All right? Palantir. XYZ, they might be coming down tomorrow. We got this bearish 3-bar right here. So they look like they coming down. APLD. Right, APLD. They broke support. So APLD might be coming down to like $27 potentially. We gonna see. Right? Let's talk about this real quick. Right? Antoine said you also cannot lose with God by your side. Obviously, right? And I don't mean this in no condescending way, right? I'm not trying to be, rude about it. But listen, obvious. That's not even, we don't even need to say that, because it's obviously you can't lose with God by your side, right? But watch this. When God is by your side, God sends people to your life to help you. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, come on, y'all. I understand that, but you got to understand sometimes we don't be really like focused on like what God is putting in our life and the tools that he's giving us. Right? I don't know if that made sense, but I know it made sense. All right? So, what else we got? APLD, they really look like they could come down. We gonna see. All right? MVO, Enphase, Rocket Lab, SoFi, AMD, HIMS, OKLO. Dell is on a 1 bar. I saw this one. I honestly don't like the the traffic here. So we gotta see. Right? Listen. Nate, he said I just joined Discord. How does it work? All right, so Nate, let's do this, right? And this is for anybody too. I really, really want all of you guys to understand how fundamental reading is, right? When you join the Discord, okay? When you join the Discord, you have a WAP account and you have a Discord, okay? You're going to pay for it on your WAP. You follow the prompts on your WAP. You get access to the Discord server. When you guys join the Discord server, you are going to see this. Please read the welcome tab. Don't comment on a video. How does it work? This is what I mean. Reading is fundamental. Go in the Discord. This is all written out for you. Everything is broken down what every tab is for. Okay? Everything is broken down for you in an organized way. What do I say right here? A big part of this Discord is the course inside your WAP account. Be sure to go inside your WAP account where you paid and go under courses and begin to take the course immediately. Right? This is mandatory to be able to see long-term sustainable success and results. Come on, y'all. All right? Come on. We gotta get better at not, hey, how do I do this? How do I do this? How do I do it? We gotta read. We gotta read, y'all. All right? So, and don't come in here talking about some, I need to make money today. That ain't the mindset. I'm telling you that right now. You know what I'm saying? So, let's keep this party going. So we got Dell. Like I said, I don't like the traffic here, but we are on the 1 bar. We got Affirm. Affirm is on a bearish 3-bar right here. Affirm could definitely dump. And they could be coming down to about $80. Okay? So they could be coming down to $80. So we gonna see. Let's see. Yeah. So what else we got? Uber. Don't like it. Nate said, I never heard of any of that. I don't, honestly, bro, I don't even know how to respond to that. Right? I don't even know what you never heard of. Just got to follow the prompts, get in Discord, and come get this money, bro. All right? If that was grandma's house, you would have been off that living. Hey, that's funny. Hey, you a clown, dog. You be clowning. Do I have any thoughts on Palantir? Honestly, I don't have any thoughts on Palantir from a perspective of tomorrow, because on a daily, they look pretty ugly. So I'm not really going to. I don't have any thoughts on this setup because to me this is not a setup, right? The way that I do it is, all I do is scan all this whole watch list every day, and I find my setups. If it does not fit my setup criteria, I'm not gonna force it, right? So if it doesn't have a setup, I'm not gonna have thoughts on it, because what I do is I try to always make sure that I am keeping my mind as clear and clean as possible, right? That's what I try to do. So if it's not a setup, I don't even have it in my mind. So this to me is not a setup, so I ain't got nothing to say about it, honestly. Carvana, hold on. Option said, could you please take a look at Tesla? Hey, listen. Option Strike Force, you already know you gotta relax. I'm gonna get to Tesla. Listen. Well, y'all know I'm gonna talk about Tesla. Listen, we gotta be patient, y'all. All right? I'm gonna talk about Tesla. We ain't even done with the setups, right? Just be patient with your boy, man. All right. So, TSL and Tesla, right? So, TSLL, Tesla, they're both on a double inside candle, right? So, here's what's interesting about this right here, right? Let me show you what's interesting about this right here, y'all. Where is it at? All right, perfect. So, this is order flow. I made a video about this today. Now, on Tesla, we have $40 million in calls, okay? Look at all of these expiration dates of tomorrow, right? 140,000, 46,000, blah, blah, blah. Let's go to the millions. All right, so we got all these millions, right? 39 million in calls, okay? But let's look at puts. We got 64 million in puts, okay? So we got 40 million in calls and we got 64 million in puts. And it makes sense because, here's why it makes sense. Because we got a bullish 1 bar and we got a bearish 1 bar. So what this is representing is we don't know what direction Tesla is about to go into. We don't. But what we do know is they are about to make a big move, though. They are about to make a big move. Period. Now, when I'm looking at this, Tesla and TSLL, either or, right? It don't matter. Let's go to the 30-minute real quick. Let's go to the 2-hour. Let's go to the 4-hour. Okay. All right. So Tesla could be coming down to 372. Right? But real talk, all I'm going to do is I'm going to say, look, for Tesla, the low 402 and the high, I'm going to put it on the high. There's one bar at 420. Now, if we're going to go up, if we're at 402 and we bounce and we go higher, you could take calls from 402 all the way up to 419. And then if we get above 419, 420, we're going to go even higher. So they might gap up Tesla and then make them break above here and then go crazy. Or they might just say, we're going to go come up here, come down here, and then we're going to break lower, right? Now look, if we break above 420 on Tesla, we are going to go to 432, $12 move. If we break below 402, then we're going to come down to 390. That's a $12 move either way. So we got a $12 move to the downside. Once we break out, right? Or we got a $12 move up. Okay? Either or. Either or. That's the name of the game with Tesla. Now, to the downside, be careful though, because we got buyers sitting right here. So I would really love to see them maybe come down here, bounce, and then go ballistic up here. But we got to see. Okay? So that's Tesla. So I'm going to put Tesla here in double inside bars. And honestly, we could just focus on Tesla and Robinhood tomorrow, because they got double inside candles. Those two stocks are going to go crazy tomorrow. That's all you really need. And then we got the indexes, right? But I know some of y'all be feeding for every single setup on the planet. So let's keep it going. Okay. CoreWeave. Ooh, CoreWeave look like they ready to bounce, y'all. Ooh wee. CoreWeave is looking like they ready to bounce. All right, let's go. Let me look at something real quick. Not bad. Okay. All right. I like CoreWeave on a bounce, honestly. Two. I like this CoreWeave on a bounce. I really do, because we got this one bar. They could go up to $87 tomorrow and higher. So, Meta, Crowd, they on a 1 bar. Their contracts are a little too expensive for what I be liking. Honestly, Crowd. I know they just had a stock split, but I mean, there's after a stock split, their contracts are still, $500. I'll trade them, but I don't really like their contracts. So, Adobe went crazy today. She said, "Do I trade Tesla?" I mean, I might trade them tomorrow. I don't usually trade Stressla, but I might trade them tomorrow. Tesla and Robinhood tomorrow are gonna be my go-to. But listen, y'all. I mean, honestly, ever since I started really rocking with the indexes, if it's a Monday and I trade a stock, I'll be like, yo, it'd be boring to me now because I'll be like, damn, I'm only up 12%. With 0 data expirations, this would have been 45%. So I ain't gonna lie, sometimes it's a little hard. But tomorrow, Tesla got 0 data expirations, so I may trade them. All right. Yeah. Hey, Doug, she do be stressing you out. Don't lie. She do. With Tesla, it's like people be winning big and losing big. You know what I mean? SMCI, Pan W, VRT looking like they might want to pop up. MRK, ooh, this look like a good 1 bar, y'all. MRK is on a 1 bar. All right. Marvell looking like they could bounce up for sure. They already up $2 overnight. ABGO. Delta Airlines. DoorDash. IBM. I like IBM on a pullback down here, yo. If IBM could come down like 295, 300, I like them on a pullback for sure. Right? Yeah. I like them on a pullback, most definitely. So, what else we got? CRM, ANET, 1 bar, GLD. I could have sworn they was on here. I think. Oh no, I was gonna swing them, but I didn't. All right, GLD, FedEx, TSM. Honestly, y'all, I like Coinbase as well. So I'm gonna be looking at Coinbase, but honestly, y'all, I'm gonna keep it simple today, right? I'm gonna keep it simple today. Robinhood, Tesla. These gonna be my 2 big watches. Robinhood and Tesla. And then I'm gonna put Coinbase on there. And that's it. I'm not gonna make a big exhaustive list and go through all of these. You know why? Because this right here can make you a lot of money. Robinhood, Tesla, and Coinbase. Now, CoreWeave, I'm going to be paying attention to it off of that 2-2 reversal, but we're going to see. All right, but Robinhood, Tesla on those double inside candles and Coinbase, because they still holding structure of this week. All right, they may not make the move until Friday, honestly. So we gonna see. All right, but so yeah, so that's what I'm gonna focus on. All right, mRNA went on Tesla. You funny. mRNA. I mean, they look like they bounced. mRNA, they trying to come up to right here at 89. I mean, they came down, bounced. This looks like a bear flag, though. All right. This looks like a bear flag. So mRNA looks like they want to come down. All right. This is a bear flag. Okay. Bear flag for sure. So, yeah. But like I said, y'all, I'm focusing on these stocks for tomorrow. All right. Robinhood, Tesla, and Coinbase. That's going to be my focus for tomorrow. All right. Does Meta have wide spreads? No. Meta doesn't have wide spreads. Meta's good. Not too wide. Some it'd be like 15, 20 bucks per contract. So yeah. All right. So yeah, leave 95s for New York open. All right. So listen, y'all. I'm tired. All right. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm about to get up out of here. Okay. But I really hope that you guys come and join us. Right. I hope you guys have a great trading day tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. All right. It's the middle of the week. We got 2 more days after tomorrow. So you got 3 days to change your life. Stay in the green. Don't have a red day, right? Don't let a green week turn red, right? Don't go deeper into your depression, all right? Make smart decisions. Get this money and let's just make it happen, all right? The better decisions you make, the more money you make. That's just how trading goes, all right? So I appreciate everybody tapping in, y'all, tuning in with me. Like I always say, y'all, all right? Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live, man. All right? And also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Hey, listen. Y'all have a great, great, great night. Y'all get some rest, man. Nah, Marquin. Hey, Marquin be stirring up the pot. All right? But y'all have a great night, man. I genuinely and sincerely appreciate all of you guys. All right? Let's keep showing up. Let's keep getting this money. And let's go kill it in the market tomorrow. All right? All of y'all have a great night. I will see y'all in the morning. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.